Typography. Typography is the art and technique of arranging, designing, and using type in visual products such as books, newspapers, advertisements, websites, and other documents. It involves selecting, arranging, and formatting characters, letters, and text to create designs that are attractive, easy to read, and communicate messages effectively. Typography is also especially important in creating other types of graphic art such as posters, logos, and other graphic designs. The role of typography design in New Age marketing. In the new era, the role of typography design in marketing is becoming increasingly important due to the development of digital media and online advertising. Here are some of the key roles of typography design in modern marketing. Create a first impression. Typography is an important factor in creating a first impression with customers. A suitable font and a unique letter design can help stand out and attract consumer attention. Communicate brand and identity. Using distinct fonts can help define and communicate a brand's identity and values. Using appropriate typography helps create a strong brand image and memorable brand identity. Increase interactivity and interactivity. Creativity in typography design can enhance the interactivity of ads and content on online platforms. Using unique and attractive fonts can stimulate consumer interest and increase engagement on social media and websites. Create emphasis and focus. Special typography design can be used to create emphasis and focus on the important message of the ad or content. Using large, bold fonts or bright colors can help attract attention and create a strong impression. Optimize user experience. Using the right typography can improve user experience across online platforms, including websites and mobile apps. Choosing fonts that are easy to read and appropriate to the context helps consumers access information easily and effectively. Overall, typography design plays a vital role in creating effective marketing strategies and creating positive user experiences in today's digital age. Typeface and font. Typeface and font are not one and the same thing, although often used synonymously in everyday language. Here are the differences between them. Typeface and font are the same. Typeface. Typeface is a set of characters with the same design and style. It includes all alphanumeric characters, punctuation, and symbols with a certain design style. A typeface can include many different sizes and weights, such as regular, italic, bold, and other variations. Font. A font, or typeface, in the modern context, refers to a specific version of a typeface of a certain size and weight. For example, Arial is a typeface, while Arial Regular 12 points is a specific font of the Arial typeface in 12 points size and regular weight. In general, typeface refers to the overall design of the characters, while font refers to a specific version of the typeface in a particular size and weight. However, in practice, the term font is often used to refer to both in many cases. Basic terms in typography. Hierarchy. Hierarchy is used to direct the reader's eye to the most important information. In other words, it shows readers where to start and where they need to read next, using different levels of emphasis. Creating hierarchy is simple. You just need to decide which elements you want readers to notice first, then make them stand out. Important elements are often large, bold, or distinct in some way. Leading. Leading is the space between lines. The purpose of leading is to make your text as readable as possible. Line spacing that is too large or too small makes readers feel uncomfortable. Tracking is the distance between letters. There are many programs that allow you to thicken or widen this element, depending on your needs. With some designs, customizing tracking techniques will bring about certain artistic effects. It can also help you fix fonts with poor spacing. Kerning. Kerning is the space between two letters, or other characters such as numbers, punctuation, etc., and the process of adjusting the space to reduce inappropriate spaces between letters or increase spaces between difficult characters. Read. Applying typography to book covers. Applying typography to a book cover is an important part of attracting readers' attention and conveying the book's message. Here are some ways you can apply typography to book cover design. Choose a suitable typeface. choose a typeface that matches the content and style of the book. For example, if the book is a romance novel, you may want to use a typeface with soft curves that is easy to read. If it is a scientific book, a precise and easy-to-read typeface would be more appropriate. Consider size and weight. Use letter size and weight to make it easy to read and stand out. The title of the book is often written larger and bolder than other parts of the cover to attract attention. Arrange text logically. Make sure the text on the book cover is arranged logically and is easy to read. This may include dividing it into different sections such as the title, author name, and description paragraphs, and using appropriate spacing and alignment. Use color creatively. In addition to choosing typeface and font size, color is also an important factor in book cover design. Use color to create emphasis and create a sense of harmony and interest in the book cover. Add other design elements. Besides typography, you can also use images, icons, and other design elements to create a unique and attractive book cover. However, make sure that typography is still the main factor to effectively convey the book's message. Overall, typography is an important part of book cover design and can be used to create unique and attractive book covers. Applying typography into advertising banner poster. Applying typography to advertising banners and posters can help create powerful designs and attract viewers' attention. Here are some ways you can apply typography to advertising banner and poster design. Choose a suitable typeface. Choose a typeface, font, that matches the message and style of the ad. Typeface must be easy to read, reflect the spirit of the brand or product, and impress viewers. Use text size and weight in a dominant way. Use large and bold font size and weight for the title or main message of the ad, to attract attention from afar and create emphasis for the content. Advertising content. Ensure balance and alignment. Consider balance and text alignment in the design. Parts of the text need to be aligned properly to create balance and order, making it easy for viewers to read and understand the message. Use color creatively. Use color to highlight or highlight parts of the text, creating contrast and attracting attention from the viewer. Make sure the colors chosen match the overall tone of the design and branding. Add effects and accessories. Use effects like drop shadows, gradients, or other typographic techniques to add dynamism and interest to your text. However, pay attention to subtlety and don't lose the readability of the text. Ensure readability from a distance. Make sure text is readable from a distance, especially when placed in public areas or on large billboards. Use appropriate letter size and font style to ensure clear understanding from a distance. In short, creative and professional use of typography can highlight and enhance the effectiveness of advertising banners, attract audience attention, and convey the message of a brand or product clearly effectively. Applying typography to social media banners. Applying typography to social media banners is an important part of creating engaging content and attracting audience attention. Here are some ways you can apply typography to your social media banner design. Choose a suitable typeface. Choose a typeface, font, that matches the brand or content you want to convey. The typeface must be legible at any size and must reflect the style and values of the brand. Use varied letter sizes and weights. Use different letter sizes and weights to create emphasis and attract attention. The title of the banner is often made larger and bolder to stand out from the background. Consider color. Use color to highlight or highlight parts of the text. Make sure that the colors chosen match the overall tone of the brand or the content of the banner. Ensure readability on any device. Ensure that text is readable on any device, including mobile phones. Use appropriate font size and font to ensure understanding at a distance and on small devices. Add effects and accessories. Use effects like drop shadows, gradients, or other typographic effects to add interest and dynamism to your text. However, pay attention to subtlety and don't lose the readability of the text. Create balance and alignment. Consider balance and text alignment in your design. Parts of the text need to be aligned properly to create balance and order, making it easy for viewers to read and understand the message. In short, creative and professional use of typography can highlight and enhance the effectiveness of social media banners, attract the attention of the audience, and convey the message of the brand or product effectively. Application of typography in printing. In printing, typography plays an important role in conveying messages, creating emphasis, and creating unique and attractive designs. Here are some ways to apply typography in printing. Choose a suitable typeface. Choose a typeface, font, suitable for the content and purpose of the printed document. For professional and formal documents, you can choose classic and professional fonts like Times New Roman, Garamond, or Arial. Meanwhile, for creative and dynamic documents, you can use unique and creative fonts. Formatting and alignment of text. Ensure that text is formatted and aligned properly to create symmetry and readability. Use bold, italic, or uppercase styles to create emphasis and variety in your text. Font size and spacing. Use appropriate font size and spacing to create balance and readability for printed documents. Make sure the titles are larger and more prominent than the main content to create emphasis and attract attention. Use color creatively. Use color to highlight or highlight parts of text. Make sure the colors chosen match the overall tone of the design and branding. Add effects and accessories. Use effects like drop shadows, gradients, or other typographic effects to add interest and dynamism to your text. However, pay attention to subtlety and don't lose the readability of the text. Consider printing paper and printing quality. Choose appropriate printing paper and printing technology to create beauty and high quality for printed documents. Good printing quality will help highlight and enhance the effectiveness of typography in printed documents. In short, using typography creatively and professionally can create unique and attractive printed documents that attract readers' attention and communicate messages effectively. Typography is the use of text elements such as typeface, size, weight, color, and structure to create attractive letter designs and communicate messages effectively. Typography is not just about choosing a typeface, but also includes how to arrange, align, and use text to create unique and creative graphic designs in many fields such as advertising, graphics, media, communication, and online graphic design.